What's up guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs coming at you with a 2020 GMC 1500 build. Now this is going to be an AT4, so it does sit up a little bit higher than what your regular Chevy 1500s do, so make sure you guys keep that in mind when building your truck. So Krietz Customs went ahead and added the suspension kit. We did add the 6-inch rough country suspension lift on this AT4. It's going to give it a little bit more ground clearance, and it also helps with the rounded fender wells on that new body style. So your wheels and tires down here are going to be the the wheels are going to be a 22x12 fuel stroke. It's going to have that gloss black and milk finish on here, and it does sit out about 4 inches past those fenders. So when you guys are picking out your wheels and your offset size, make sure you guys keep that in mind. Your tire is going to be a 35, 12, 50, 22-inch Ridge Grappler. This is going to be Nitto's hybrid tire, so it's going to be a great on-road and off-road performance for any type of vehicle that you guys put these on. And if you guys like this build and you're ready to build your AT4, you guys can click the link in the description for more details, where you guys can take advantage of our 0% financing options.